I'm standing here right now at the Ahmedabad Civil Hospital that witnessed the latest casualty of Chandipura virus today morning. A 2.5-year-old child succumbed to the deadly disease. Meanwhile, doctors are baffled because the NIV sample testing results have revealed only 22 cases of confirmed Chandipura active cases so far, while the rest 43 cases out of the total 74 that the NIV sent back to Gujarat is still not being determined yet as to what is killing the children here at such a alarming mortality rate. So far, children have been succumbing to this disease, to this mysterious disease within 72 hours of admission in the hospital, coming with symptoms such as fever that quickly progresses to convulsion and finally succumbing to acute encephalitis, that is brain swelling. Meanwhile, doctors are treating the children with antivirals but are completely in dark as to what should be the correct course of treatment until the test results confirms the kind of virus that is killing the children in Gujarat. So far, the casualty across the state has been 51 as of July 24. Meanwhile, doctors are also waiting for a set of test results that was submitted in the BS2 lab in Gandhinagar. The Gujarat government, meanwhile, has been taking precautionary measures such as spraying DDT and cleaning damp and moist areas and rural areas, specifically with with the monsoon season going on. So far, what is confirmed is that the Chandipura virus or CHPV is caused by sandflies that thrives in areas that is rich in organic substances such as rodent holes, mud cracks of the huts in the rural areas, etc. This is Damayanti reporting for the Federal from Gujarat.